Well, all this month we're going to be introducing you to those who often take the road less traveled. They are the innovators, those who turn their back on convention to try something new. We begin today with 40 teams of high school students, teachers, and mentors spending long hours designing a robot to compete in this year's regional robotics competition. It's all designed to attract young people to careers in math, science, and in engineering. Our Jessica Betts has been following Oklahoma's first robotics teams for the past 3 years, and she picks up our story.
Right now, people from all over the world are busy building remote control robots that will carry and possibly lift 40-inch diameter balls around a track as fast as possible for points in the first competition. And teams only have little more than a week left to finish them. Oklahoma First Robotics rookie teams got a pretty good head start on building their robots at the kickoff in Stillwater earlier this year. And that's where the brain work begins. More than 800 people crammed in the West Watkins Center in Stillwater. Rookies and veterans preparing to compete in Oklahoma's first ever regional robotics competition.
And that way we can fit it into the field space that we've got.
It seems pretty complex so far, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun.
But this year, Oklahoma rookie teams got a little more than a kit of parts and game rules.
Using the material provided by First Robotics, build a robot that will move forwards, backwards, left, and right in a half a day.
A challenge Oklahoma Regional Director Harold Holley says gives these first-timers the support they need to begin a tedious 6-week journey.
33 teams all at once building 33 robots. We've got them divided up into electronics teams, metal frame teams, and transmission teams. One of the most important things that these students will take with them today is how to work in a chaotic environment. That's backwards. With someone that they haven't worked with before, possibly one of their classmates, possibly a teacher, or in particular, there are some engineering mentors here that have come with their school. And those engineering mentors are working side by side with these students, and they're going to walk away from this discovering that there is some careers out there that maybe they haven't thought of.
A 4-hour challenge that equals a lesson in problem solving for these new robot inventors.
Building a robot and working with more than just 3 or 4 people on a project takes time, because our group, we only have 5 people that are able to stay after school. The rest of us are in physics. And so the physics class will be doing all the math and all the other work on it, and they will have to actually be able to tell the build team what to do.
We've done some things with smaller robots, but we've never done anything with this size and this much power and all the right parts, so it's pretty exciting.
We're trying to get our kids there at Sequoyah High School to be interested in the science, technology, and engineering fields, and we thought this would be a good way to get them introduced on a hands-on level.
No matter the size of the team or gender,
we gotta show them what females can do.
Oklahoma First Robotics teams are hammering and assembling these robots into shape. And right at the 4-hour mark, the Bigsby Robotics team finished first.
From what I've heard, it usually takes 2 to 3 weeks sometimes for teams to get their robot moving and stuff. So just getting it moving on the kickoff day is just an amazing experience for all of us, and I think that's really going to help in our success this year.
You can see the hard work of the 40 teams during the Oklahoma City contest on March 21st and 22nd at the Cox Convention Center from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The competition is open to the public and free of charge.